This video is about find the shortest distance between the two skew lines. Before we get started, let's talk about projection of a vector A on B. This is a vector A. This is a vector B. Formed angle theta. Then from vector A, draw this perpendicular line to vector B. Let's label this is AB. We do know cosine theta equals vector A dot vector B all over absolute value of vector A times absolute value of vector B. Both sides times absolute value of vector A. We got absolute value of vector A times cosine theta equals vector A dot vector B all over absolute value of vector B. From this right triangle, we could say AB equals absolute value of vector A times cosine theta. In other words, we got length of AB equals this. This AB is called the projection of vector A on vector B. Since L1 and L2 are two skew lines, they cannot be on the same plane. Label position vector OA, position vector OB, direction vector B1, direction vector B2. This is L1, here is L2. Direction vector B1, direction vector B2. This is a point A on L1. This is a point B on L2. Let's draw a normal vector from A. This normal vector, vector n, normal vector. This vector is perpendicular to vector B1 and also perpendicular to vector B2. So normal vector n equals vector B1 cross vector B2. Let's label the intersection of normal vector and vector B2 is C. Then AC equals the shortest distance D. Let's connect AB. You could see this AC is the projection of vector AB on normal vector n. So we will use this formula. We can get AC equals vector AB dot normal vector n all over absolute value of vector n. Now let's work out vector AB first. Use easy. Ending coordinates minus starting coordinates. Change minus into plus, then change sign. Equals negative 2, 7, 1. Figure out this normal vector equals vector b1 cross vector b2 equals 1, negative 2, 3 cross 1, 1, 4 equals negative 2 times 4 is negative 8 minus 3 parentheses because make row 1, row 3 separated 4 minus 3 then 1 minus negative 2 change sign we got negative 11 negative 1 3 now the shortest distance AC equals vector AB negative 2, 7, 1 dot negative 11 negative 1 3 square root negative 11 square plus negative 1 square plus 3 square then equals dot production negative 2 times negative 11 is 22 plus 7 times negative 1 is negative 7 plus 3 all over square root of 131 equals 18 over square root 131 equals 18 over 131 square root of 131. Let's draw the conclusion for shortest distance of two skew lines. L1, the vector equation R equals A1 plus T times vector B1. L2, vector R equals vector A2 plus lambda times vector B2. First step, we need to figure out normal vector equals vector B1 cross vector B2. Second step, the shortest distance equals absolute value of A2 minus A1 dot normal vector n all over absolute value of normal vector n.